I can't hear you.
We're at Pioneer Place in downtown Portland, Oregon, in the United States of America.
Okay, go ahead and push the button. Okay, he was saying we're at Pioneer Place in Portland, Oregon, in the United States of America, he said. And we're riding what we think is a Montgomery elevator. This is the nicer of the two.
This is the Montgomery.
We think it is. This one seems nicer than the other one we just rode.
Yeah.
And it's got mirrors.
So we're not going
The
to
engine, the motor is quieter.
We're going to straight next, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Straight. Nice buttons. We'll love them. Nice
And if you're watching this, viewers, don't forget, it's a 360-degree view, so look around on your mobile device or on your Chromecast using the arrow buttons. Let's move back so we can see a panel view.
See, this is, like I said, this is the mirror. The other one is black with plastic. Boy, nice buttons. Pretty cool. Oh, I love that.
I like how they light up.
Yeah.
Like big, like street. Okay, ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let it close.